So we just got back from out of town and we needed a quick meal. So we decided to throw together a cheesy chicken spinach quesadilla. First, we're gonna make the spinach tortillas. We are going to start by adding 3 ounces of spinach. Then we're gonna add 3 full eggs. And we'll just blend that right up. Blend until smooth, and then you're gonna separate into 3 even portions. We're gonna spray our pan really well and put it on medium heat. Then we'll just add our spinach and egg mixture. This is gonna be approximately 2.5 ounces. Then we're going to cover that and let that cook for about 2 minutes. Once that's cooked through, we're just gonna flip that. And you'll cook that for about a minute on that side. Once that's done, you'll just do the same thing to the other 2. Once our tortillas are done, we're gonna go ahead and use the same pan and we're gonna make our quesadillas. We're gonna start by putting our spinach tortilla down. We're gonna add 1.5 ounces of reduced fat cheese. Then I will add 1/2 teaspoon of low sodium taco seasoning and 1 ounce of grilled or baked chicken. And I'm just gonna fold that over and let that melt. Just gonna flip that over and let it finish cooking on the other side. Once all the cheese is melted, it is ready to serve. And there it is, your cheesy chicken spinach quesadilla. Remember, this is 1 lean and 1 green, so you will need 2 more greens to finish this off. I like to add a little spice to mine, add a little jalapeno, or you can add a little salsa. I hope you enjoy making this one.